Today I want to show you how to create a web page within my web page. So the first thing I'm going to have you do is navigate to my web page, scroll over to the left hand side towards the bottom, and you'll see a site login. Here I'd like you to log in using your username and password, and remember, for the purpose of this class, your username and password is just your lunch number. So if my lunch number is 4567, I would type in 4567 as my username, and my password would be the exact same thing. I'll go ahead and get logged in. Then I'm going to scroll down towards the bottom, and I'm going to select Add Web Page. I'd like for you to think about which classroom you're in. If you're a Monday morning or Monday afternoon or Thursday morning, Thursday afternoon, select the class that you're a part of, and that will be your category. I'd like for you to create a title for your web page. Remember, we don't want to put first and last names out here because this will be on the internet. So if you'd like to just put your first name, for example, if your name is Steve, you could call this Steve's web page. And you can be creative if you'd like. I just would ask that you don't put your first and last name both. I'm going to call mine Pals Practice Page. Then I will add, and you can see here that it says web page has been created. Now if I wanted to edit this web page, I would select Edit Web Page. And again, I can see here that I'm on my page, and I need to make sure that I'm only on my page and making changes to my page. Here, and these are some things we'll practice within class, but you can kind of play with some of these tools, experiment with them a little bit. I would start out by maybe giving it a title. I can choose the size of my font. I can choose the color of my font. And maybe I need to highlight that and then select and then change the size and the color. I probably did that in the wrong order. If I wanted to insert a picture, this is one way that I could insert a picture. Notice up here my tools. See this little image of the mountains, insert or edit image. I'm going to select that. From here I need to browse server, and I'm going to find a picture that I've actually already saved. It's a picture of the Miami Dolphins logo, I believe, and I've already found that picture and saved it on my desktop. That's again something that we'll practice in class. So I'm going to browse and try to find that picture. I need to choose the file. I know that I saved it on my desktop, and it was called Miami Dolphins. Oh, it's a helmet that I saved. I'm going to choose that picture. I'm going to upload it. I can see down here it's saying it's in progress, and there it is. There's the picture that I want to use. Here's the picture in preview form, and it's huge. And I'm going to want to have room on my web page for other things, and so I need to resize this. See where the width says 800? I'm going to shrink that down to half of that and see if that's a little more user-friendly, which I think it is. Notice how it automatically changed my height to match my width or proportionately, so that's going to be fine. I'm going to hit OK, and there's my picture. And if I wanted that to be centered, I could select center over here. If I want to put a space there, I put my cursor after my text and hit return, and it's spaced kind of nicely. Edit is kind of like a save, and here is my page so far. So this is what I'd like for you to play with this week. See if you can add a few things to your web page. Today in class we'll talk about adding possibly a Voki and maybe some links for other kids to use. And that's what I would like for you to work on. Thanks. Let me know if I can help you with it.